Okay, let me give you some background and some information, all right? You have all these different religions, okay, and all these different people believe in different things. But let me give you some Bible verses to figure out where all this confusion came from, okay? First of all, you have people's opinions and beliefs, and you actually have the truth, okay? Let me give you some Bible verses, and I'm going to put it in the description box in the comments section. I mean, the description box so you can read it for yourself. Matthew 16:14. Matthew 16:14, King James. I always use King James. And he said, some say thou art John the Baptist, some Elijah, and others Jeremias, or one of the prophets. At Matthew 16:14, Yeshua was asking his disciples, who are people saying he is? And you hear what they say. They say he's John the Baptist, he's Elijah, and others say he's Jeremias, or one of the prophets. Okay? Those are what people are saying. Okay, so when you hear, for example, Muslims, who was Jesus? Oh, he was a prophet. That's a person saying it. Okay, that's not the truth, because what did it say? Or one of the prophets. What do Muslims say? He's a prophet. Okay, that's where that came from. Okay, Acts 11:26. Acts 11:26. And when he had found him, they brought him unto Antioch. And it came to pass that a whole year they assembled themselves with the church and taught much people, and the disciples were called Christian first in Antioch. Well, who called them Christian? This town or the city of Antioch. That's who called them. Those are people. Okay? You're not a Christian. You are a disciple. Okay? That's where Catholicism came in. We're Christians. We're Christians. No, you're not a Christian. You're a disciple. You're a disciple. Okay? And I'm going to prove it to you. John 8:31. John 8:31. This is Yeshua talking. Then said Yeshua to those Jews which believe on him, if you continue in my word, then ye are my disciples. You're a disciple of Yeshua, not a Christian. Okay? So if somebody says they're a Christian, they're getting it from this passage in Acts 11:26 where it says they were called Christians in Antioch. That's what the people called them. They were not identified as Christians. They were identified as disciples by Yeshua.